Hello, everybody. I will be talking about a coding app called Scratch. Scratch is designed primarily for children, allowing them to learn concepts through interactive projects. Here is a brief walkthrough of the app and how the program works. So, how does it work? Scratch provides a visual programming environment where users can create their own interactive stories, games, and animations as well. Users will drag and drop code bricks or blocks to create sentences that control characters on the screen. So it's pretty interactive. The hands-on approach makes it easy for beginners to understand coding logic without having to memorize too much, mostly the syntax. So activities used to engage in. Users can engage in several activities such as creating animated stories, building simple games, or even making music. Now, this platform encourages a lot of exploration and creativity, which allows users to experiment with coding concepts such as loops, conditions, and event for handling through fun and interactive activities. Now, how is coding vocabulary taught? As users navigate through Scratch, they will be introduced to coding vocabulary in a context that makes sense. Now, a good example is the term loop, event, and spite are integrated into blocks they use. Additionally, Scratch community provide tutorials as well as guides on how to explain these terms and concepts in an age-appropriate language manner, which is very important because a lot of these coding ones, I just saw like the age range, but they didn't really specify like what type of ages they were really trying to work with, and this is more for like younger ages as well. So, which coding language does this app teach? Now, Scratch doesn't just focus on a traditional program language like Python or Java. It builds its own block-based language that teaches foundation program concepts. The visual approach helps build on strong coding mindsets that can later be used to translate to text-based program languages. Now, I've used Scratch a couple times. In my placement, they have it at Horizon Science Academy for different grade levels. It's used a lot, and it's trusted upon the school. So I would highly recommend it. I think it's a fantastic tool for introducing coding for students, fostering creativity, and developing problem-solving skills. The community aspect is also beneficial as users can share their own projects and learn from one another. Overall, Scratch is a fun educational platform that makes coding accessible for beginners. Highly recommend for young students that are just introduced to coding. I think this is a great program, a great software, and a great application as well.